I am done with my beard. The constant stresses of wearing a fake beard and being Santa, it just ruins part of the experience for me. Like I'm way too stressed underneath it all, and I feel like I'm poking parts back on my face every few minutes. And when kids look anywhere except my eyes, my heart just drops, thinking that they've noticed something fake and I've just ruined Christmas for them forever. Not to mention that it takes like 30 minutes to put the beard on properly and about 45 minutes to rub the adhesive off afterwards. And it's just not worth it for me anymore. Hi, I'm Santa, but you can call me Mr. Holliday, and welcome to my Santa beard journey. I'm here to help other Santas on their own beard journeys, and I'm here for anyone out there who just wants to grow and style a quality beard of their own. Now, if you want to follow along, please like, subscribe, follow, favorite, and hit that notification bell to find out every time I post a new Beardeo. That's a beard video. I just made that up, like right now. To find out every time that I post a new video here on Santa Says Online. So I've been Santa for nearly 10 years now, and I'm working as an educator for about the same amount of time, and they go hand in hand so well. It's a great combo. When I started as Santa, I wore one of those cheap chin strap beards that don't even look remotely real. But I tell you, the kids, the true believers, they don't care. And when that first child came into the room and truly believed that I was Santa Claus, as raggedy as I thought I looked, something absolutely magical happened. I felt a change inside, like all over it, and I became Santa, like the real deal. Big man in red from up north. I had flying reindeer on the roof, the works. It was a full body, full spiritual change, and I believed in myself. I am Santa Claus. And it was then that I also realized that I needed to do more. I'm Santa now, not just the guy with the suit, and I had a sacred obligation to children and families everywhere to be the best that I could possibly be. And if St. Nicholas is watching, thank you so much from the bottom of my heart for this opportunity to spread the joy and happiness every day of the year. No problem. So I invested in a better chin strap beard, a bigger, fuller, shinier, faster, maybe not faster. It was okay, but it wasn't right for me. And then over the last few years, I've invested in a more professional stage quality beard. It's made of human hair and polyester, I think. I don't know. I didn't pay attention. And I've tried different adhesive too, from double-sided tape, which really just looks like Band-Aids under the beard. It's terrible. I do not recommend it. To spirit gum, which is great for shorter gigs or indoor things. And I've used professional medical grade adhesive that unfortunately freezes every time it gets cold, so then it stops working and my beard loosens and I can feel it coming off every time I open my mouth. And I'm just so lucky that my mustache is not dropped off completely while I'm talking to a kid, because that would just be devastating. I don't even want to think about it. So all that brings me to today, day -1 of my Santa beard journey. Now, you see, tomorrow, on day 1, I'm going to shave for the last time. I'm going to shave so that I can stress about my fake beard and my frozen adhesive for the last time, and I am so excited. I'm going to edit in the results of my final shave and at the end, and I'll see if I can get a photo of my current Santa look, so you can see where I'm starting from. And after that, I'm going to make regular videos for you to show you the progress of my beard growth, how I care for it, how to style it, tips and tricks that I've learned from professional beard stylists over the years. And most exciting of all, for me at least, is I'm going to experiment with various beard products. For the day-to-day, I'll try oils, balms, waxes, brushes, etc. And as Santa, I'm going to try different coloring wax, stage creams, and more. I might even bleach it, who knows? But my plan is to grow my beard with barely any trimming, mostly just styling for 6 months straight. Should be big enough by then to house small animals, maybe birds or a rabbit. But it should give us a pretty comprehensive understanding of what's involved, what's possible, and what you can do about it. And at the end of 6 months, we will look at side-by-side, before and after, and then we'll decide, do I keep the real beard or do I shave it all off again? Now, I'm not affiliated with any company and I make no money from the products I'll be testing, so if there's any companies out there that specialize in beard products that want to send me samples to test things out, to make videos for, I will happily do so, and I'll give my honest opinion to the viewers on whatever you want to try. Just drop a link in the comments below and we'll talk. So my goal, as I mentioned in the beginning, is to be the best Santa that I can be, to show you my beard growing journey every step of the way, and ultimately to help you on your own beard journey. Whether you're Santa or just a hairy beast, I'm here for you. So I'm Mr. Holliday. Thanks for watching. And if you've got any tips or tricks for me on my Santa beard journey, drop them in the comments below. I'll see you real soon. And stay nice.
So this is it, the results of my final shave. As clean shaven as I'm gonna get. Now, if you like this look, hit the like button below, leave me a comment, let me know. And if you prefer this look, then you're just gonna have to rewatch this video over and over and over again, because from this point on, I am officially growing my hashtag hair baby. So I'm about to get Santified.
Yeah, editing's great, but this took nearly 40 minutes today, so stay nice, my friends.